What's up, guys? It's Meaty Mike. My name is Mike and I love meat. Fire up your smokers because today we are cooking a Guinea fowl. Let's do it. We have ourselves here a beautiful, just shy of 4 pounds, Guinea fowl, or hen, whatever you would like to refer to it as. Man, I love game birds like this. I love duck. I've done a pheasant video in the past. I recently did a quail video with raspberry chipotle sauce, and now it's time for the guinea. The meat on a guinea fowl is awesome. Comparable to chicken, but very lean. Very comparable to pheasant, but with a little bit darker of meat. I did brine it overnight. Simple mixture of water, salt, and brown sugar. I have some ingredients here to get it prepped, so let's get started. So we have a red apple, a pear, and a yellow onion. Let's get started with the pear. Just chopping it up into little chunks, like this. Get your red apple, do the same. Slice it into little chunks. Throw out all your extras. Get your yellow onion. I hate cutting onions. But again, woo, trying to get away from me there. Slicing it up into little chunks. And you're just gonna take whatever you can fit, and we're gonna stuff it in our guinea fowl. Start with a chunk of onion, pear, red apple. Repeat. Onion, pear, red apple. Repeat. Onion, pear. We're on a roll. Red apple, onion. Okay, that's good. So that's what we're gonna stuff it with. We're gonna get a piece of butcher's twine and tie it up. Oh, the onion's getting in my eyes. Can't see. That's why I hate cutting onions. What the? Give it a little snip. If you're not blind by now. Jesus. Get to our next step. We're gonna spray this down with some duck fat spray. My favorite. Keep our skin moist, get it nice and crispy in the smoker. Get your thighs, get your breasts, get your wings. Flip it over, get the other side too. Get inside, outside, all sides. Beautiful. Then I got about a teaspoon of minced garlic. Rub it in. All right, I'm gonna take my glove off so I can handle our rub, which is the Southwestern Griller Tipsy Mushroom Rub. Great mushroom rub that's dried out with red wine. I love the Southwestern Griller's rubs because they're different. They're not your typical barbecue rubs. This is gonna have a good, bold, earthy flavor that's gonna go perfect with our guinea fowl. Lay it on thick. It's gonna give a good color, good flavor. Get your wings, get your breasts, get your thighs, get it everywhere. Get inside the cavity too, shoot. Perfect, looks good. We got a great coat of rub, all of our ingredients. We're just gonna let it hang out for about a half hour, then we'll go pop it in the Masterbuilt. All right, y'all, we got the Masterbuilt rolling at 275 degrees, and I'm using some strawberry guava wood chips for this smoke. My first time using these chips, very excited to try out another fruit wood. We're just gonna let this roll until about an internal temp of 165. I got my ink bird in the breastises, in the thighs. We're gonna come back out when we hit about 155, 160 in the breasts. When we hit that temp, that's when I'm gonna add a little bit of a glaze to this fowl. But in the meantime, we're gonna let our smoker go to work, so stick around. All right, so our guinea fowl's been cooking, the ink bird's been going up. I double checked with my ink bird instant read, and we're right at about 158 in the breast, so we're good to add our glaze. Glaze is pretty simple. I have a store-bought fig preserve. It's a really good, sweet, delicious fig preserve. I got a little bit in a bowl right here already, and we're just gonna add a little splash of red wine. Mix it up. All right, so a jam, glaze, whatever you want to call it, really simple. Let's add it to our guinea fowl. In the fowl itself, we have a great color. It's gonna be delicious. Get a brush, just a light glaze. We're just gonna give a light coat to it. Oh yeah. Get your fowl situated, close up your smoker, and that's it. From here, we're gonna let it keep cooking. Not too much longer to go. We're looking for that 165 temp in the breast, then we'll pull it and eat. And with that, our guinea fowl is complete. Look, I don't know about you, but just standing here looking at the color on this guinea, it's beautiful. A good, crispy skin, just looking at it. I know it's gonna be juicy, I know it's gonna be delicious, so enough talking. We're cutting right in to the breast of our fowl. Just cutting a little piece off. Finger looking good. Finger licking good. We have a lot of stuff going on here. Everything that we did just works out and comes together perfectly. The duck fat spray, the tipsy mushroom rub from the Southwestern Griller, that big preserve mixed with that red wine, the apples, the onions and pears stuffed inside, the strawberry guava wood chips. I mean, good job, me. Good job, me. Fist me, bro. Come on, fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump, nice. Awesome. I'm ripping off a wing. Oh, God. Nice little guinea fowl wing. Who doesn't love them? Sucking right off the bone. Man, tons of good meat on this fowl. I mean, one of my favorite parts on any chicken, wild game bird, anything is the skin. Right there, that crispy, it always crisps up. It's crunchy. That did not disappoint. The meat from the guinea fowl is less fatty. This probably has about half of the fat from a regular chicken. That's why I always prefer game birds to just normal chicken. Look, I'll eat chicken 7 days a week, but whenever I can get my hand on a pheasant or a guinea fowl like this, game on, because that's what I'm cooking. You can cut our twine off. I mean, you probably have some good onions and fruit in there too. Look, let's see. Look, one of the little pears. Smoky fruit and onions is good. When you eat that with a piece of your bird, oh man, that is awesome. This guinea fowl is a home run. If you can get your hands on a guinea fowl, go pop one in your smoker, stuff it with some onions, some good fruit, some apples, some pear, get a good fig, preserve, or jam, any kind of fruit to sweeten it up a little bit. Man, you put that in your smoker, you might not ever want to eat a normal chicken again. So go get a guinea fowl, put it in your smoker, you're gonna love it. Stay tuned for the next video.